What's up, everybody? Today I'm with another video, and I am here playing some Call of Duty Black Ops right now. So, second setup, we're gonna go over here. I have a parachute. There. Where the hell did I get a parachute? Okay, so there's that. What the hell? So, upgrade. Down, close down, living like a rock star, spend a lot of money. Brand new guitar, hey baby. Okay, so we're about to start, everybody. We're gonna go to multiplayer. We're gonna go to start. Excuse me. Excuse me again. And I'm playing on my phone, but I have my Xbox controller mounted up, so my little brother's coming. Might have to help him, but so let's do this. So we're in the middle. Oh, I just died.
What do I do?
Oh. So we're almost done here. We're gonna. When I pull up to the roof, things okay.
Help
When I pull up to the door. Sorry for the noise in the background, Father. Sorry for the singing. Sorry if I'm drinking. I am really bad at this. I am not good at playing mobile, but even though I just got a double kill. Shoot, gotta reload. You can't set up a PlayStation
But you don't
thing.
know.
I do, I've tried it.
Try it.
Ask Oscar, not me. I also have a flamethrower key on mine. Where is everybody?
Please help me. Please.
Keegan, not right now, Bubba. I'm in the middle of a YouTube video. Sorry for the background noises. Parker is watching. What are you watching? TikTok or Likey? I just died. Oh, he's watching TikTok.
Wait, you don't Likey? What's that?
So, I'm pretty good with this. Okay. How do I shoot my grenades?
Help, please.
No. Oh, somebody. Oh, you died. Yeah, it's like killing Nazis, but you're not killing no Nazis. You're just killing random people, so, yeah. Got you. Got you. Oh god, that was scary. Got you. Oh yes. Flamethrower. Let's go. Come on, we gotta go find somebody before this thing runs out. Come on, flamethrower. Killed you. Die and burn. Oh! That's what the motor load is, guys. So, let's move out. Got a enemy care package. Okay, enemy care package. So, my care package come yet? There it is, there it is, there it is. Let's go with the care package. Come on, yes. Enemy UAV, enemy UAV. Yes. Yes, another enemy UAV. Okay.
What does this say?
My 13-year-old cousin is always pulling pranks on us and breaking our shit.
Oh!
We're getting revenge.
You cannot do it, Bubba.
Cheeks to clap. We took his computer and told him we're going to 7-Eleven.
Okay, so. So, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, move out, move out, move out. Once we die, we're gonna change layouts. After this, okay, let's go. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's a death drop. Oh, yes, we won. No, you don't. See, it should say connect to system remote.
What about pink one?
No.
Settings?
Yeah, no, it don't work. So everybody, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and for more content like this. So, peace.